Fun with Flowers and J is brought to you today by Acolyte Technologies, the gold standard in LED lighting.
Welcome to the world of flowers. I'm Jay Schwanke. I've spent my entire life surrounded by flowers. As a fourth-generation florist, flowers have been a part of my daily life for as long as I can remember. Now I'm on a mission to share my knowledge and love of flowers with everyone I meet. Growing, picking, arranging, designing, and sharing. It's all fascinating to me because I love flowers. Anything flowers and everything flowers. Welcome to Fun with Flowers and Jay. Today on Fun with Flowers and Jay, we're working with the new Toronado products available from Acolyte Technologies and creating some fun special event arrangements. Let's make a couple of special event centerpieces. Here, we've created one using the Acolyte Toronado 5.6. The battery case is waterproof, so it's down inside our arrangement, and then the green LED lights, there's 5 of them on a 6-inch memory wire, can be throughout the arrangement. Look at the great way we've intensified the green glow by using green orchids. Using flowers of the same color along with that color LED light will help magnify that color for your special event. Here, we use the Toronado 9.12. This has 9 LED lights on a 12-inch memory wire. Another functional part of this is that the battery case is waterproof, so we can conceal it down inside our snow. Then, it's also a point-and-party device, which means we can use the Acolyte standard remote to turn it off and on. It's in standby mode, and it can remain in standby mode for 48 hours. Now, we can add our orchids. We've concealed the pinwheel inside the arrangement itself, and then each one of the LED lights can extend throughout the arrangement. When we're ready, we simply point and party, turning it on with the Acolyte remote. Because these have memory wires, we can also bend them around to illuminate specific parts of our arrangement. This is a great way for us to illuminate special event arrangements using the new Acolyte Toronado 5.6 or 9.12. Let's create an illuminated hand bouquet using the new Toronado 5.6. We'll fashion our hand bouquet just like we would any other hand bouquet, laying the flowers into our hand at a 45-degree angle. Once I've added my central flowers, I'll slip in the Toronado 5.6. It'll stay in the middle with my middle flowers, and I'll add flowers all the way around the outside. The great part about the memory wire and the pinwheel construction is I can direct the lights anywhere I'd like. I can use them as a spotlight, or I can use them to give an elegant glow to the entire bouquet. I'm adding my flowers in groups all the way around. We'll bind it off using craft-covered wire. You'll notice that my battery case is dangling down below with the stems. I want to make sure that I gather it up and hold it in my hand along with the top of the bouquet so that when I cut the stems, I don't cut the battery wire. Once I've completed my bouquet, I can do several things with the battery case. I can drop it down inside the vase because the case itself is waterproof, or I can conceal it up inside the bouquet so it can be conveniently turned on and off. The great part about this bouquet is that it's lovely to carry and hold, but it can also serve as a decoration afterwards. So let's create a special event centerpiece using the new Toronado 20 curtain. These LED lights are lined up along one wire to form a curtain. So you could suspend them from a ceiling or use them for different decorative measures, illuminate the inside of a tablecloth, But today, we're going to use them in a special event centerpiece so that they dangle down. I've attached it to this bowl using adhesive tabs, placing the wire in place and then concealing it with a diamond mesh. My battery packs are inside the arrangement and can be positioned into the foam so that they face outward. That makes it easier for me to turn it on using my remote control. This will be placed on top of our vase, and these curtain pieces will hang down around the vase itself. We'll start with our different types of frosted foliage. We're using magnolia and boxwood. The great part about the frosted foliage is it'll add reflective impact to the beautiful arrangement we're creating that will be illuminated. Our next step is to add our line flowers. We're using snapdragons today. Then we'll create more impact using carnations. I love to use the carnations because they add color deep down in the arrangement and provide a great focal emphasis. A few David Austin roses. These are beautiful because people love roses and they also add fragrance to our arrangement. And finally, our Sun Valley lilies. Once we've placed our arrangement on top of the vase, we'll add a few more stems of boxwood and magnolia. This will help transition between the arrangement and our curtain acolytes. We've placed our arrangement on top of our vase and illuminated the bottom using a couple of Acolyte submersibles in the crystal accents. Now, we can turn on the arrangement using our Acolyte remote control. We can have this arrangement made 24 to 48 hours in advance and have our curtain acolytes on standby mode. Then we simply point and party. Our curtain hangs down. We could also take these and feed them up into the arrangement, or we can add an additional Toronado 20 in the arrangement itself. So now you've got some great ideas for illuminating your next wedding or special event. Until next week, keep having fun with flowers.